Hi there, welcome back to the second episode of this series of becoming a graphic design professional through Coreldraw. So today we'll be creating a simple logo using text and shapes only. So this is the logo we are going to be creating today. We'll be creating this HP and Samsung logo using text and shapes only. If that sounds interesting, let's get started. Once you open your system, your Coreldraw software, you'll be having this interface if you're actually using X7 with me. But if you're using any other version, don't worry, it's okay. If you have a welcome screen pop up this way, you can just cancel it clicking on this, or you just continue by clicking on file. Then let's create a new document. Click on new to create a new document. So right now we wait for the documents to pop up, and then we are going to name this tutorial 2. Tutorial 2. So I'm going to use letter. It's over here, the preset of letter as this size for as the page size. Okay, so everything is okay as I want it. I'm going to click on enter or click on OK over here. So let's wait for it to pop up. Once it's pop up this way, we can come to our rectangle tool over here as you can see it. Okay, so just left click on it once, then come to the printable area over here, drag a little bit and create a nice rectangle as I have done. So right now I want us to color it up. I'm going to left click, come to our color here, left click to fill in a color, fill in the blue, then right click to fill in blue, as to put blue on the outline as well. Since as I showed you on the HP logo, there's no difference in the outline. You don't know if there's outline or not. So we are using the same color for the outline and the fit color. There's no issue with that. So let's continue. And then we can come over here. Look at this side at the property bar. There is a lock corner here. So this will help you. You have to click on it. This way it's unlocked, and then this it's locked. So right now it will help you to edit all the corners together. We are talking about these four corners, this and this. So we can come over here and change the number to, let's say, 0.2. So this way you can look at the edge. Let me zoom in a little bit. As you can see, the edge has been edited, has been modified. So we are okay with this edge right now. So let's come to our ellipse tool. So this ellipse tool enables us to create a circle. I'm just going to click on it once, and then we have the ellipse tool picked. So as always, you click and drag. While dragging, you click on Control key on your keyboard just to have a really lovely and aligned circle. That's a circle. So it's okay this way. I'm going to drop the mouse, then drop the key, the control key. So come to our pick tool, then drag this a little bit to the center this way. Don't worry, you might not have a lovely center, or you might be finding it hard to centralize it. Don't worry, I'm going to solve that like we did in the previous episode. But let us color this up with color white. Sorry, I'm going to use color white as the fill and also as the outline. Then we can highlight the tool this way. Then come to object, then come to align and distribute. I can use align to page center since I have a single design right now. So let's click on text to type in our HP text. So we can type in HP. Right now the text is a little bit small. We can just come to our pick tool, then change the font. I'll be using impact because it resembles the logo of HP. Okay, and then we can increase the font size this way. Just drag it up, and then I'm going to bring it to the center this way. As you are looking at the HP right now, it's a little bit big. Okay, so we can reduce this way. It's fine and okay right now. We can highlight everything, then come to our object, then click on center to page, and then we click on our HP. When clicking, you have to click on the color of the text, and then we can color it blue. So come to object, click on convert to curve to convert it from a text to an object. Then we click on this shape tool. So just zoom in a little bit as I am doing right now. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Then come to the center around here. Just drag it up. Try to maintain a straight line. Okay, try to maintain a straight line. And then drag this also this way while maintaining your straight line. It might get tricky a little bit at first, but just try to maintain the straight line. Yep, I believe this should be good enough. Let me drag this a little bit. Yeah, it's okay this way. So come to our pick tool and then we can add an outline. How do we add outline? Just right click on the white color, then come over here to put in, let's say 1.5. 1.5 is okay, or let's use 2. Let's use 2 points. So we can, I'm using my scroll wheel on my mouse to drag in, to zoom in and out. If you don't have a scroll wheel on your mouse, you can come to this zoom over here and then change it around here or type in any percentage you want. Okay, so I'm using my scroll wheel on my mouse, and we can rotate this. Come over here and type in to rotate your side preferred angle. I can add in a little bit of more points, let's say 3 points. It's okay this one, and then we can increase the size. We can add more points as well again. So this is okay, and this is how to create the HP logo. So what I'm going to do, as this is now, it has been aligned, and what I'm going to do now is to group it up to have a single text. So right now, we combine a lot of shape and text, so it is now single. Right now we can move it around, it now single. So let me return it back this way. So thank you. In the next session we'll be talking about, the next thing to do is to create our Samsung logo. Go to ellipse to click on it, then drag a little bit this way, color it up with color blue, change to pick 2, then click at the center here. So you can come to the angle this way, then rotate. I'm going to click on the text tool and type in, but I wanted to watch something while typing. I'm going to use color, I'm going to use V instead of A, okay, just to replicate the font of Samsung. And then come to pick 2, change the font to impact. Then I'm going to increase the size a little bit this way. Yes, so the only thing left now is to just color it off, as in color to be color white, and that's that. That's our E2 Samsung logo. But if you notice something, the V is still a bit bent. So right now, as we did in the episode 1, we can just come to object, then break artistic text apart. So click on our V, then we can use this to mirror it vertically. Yep. And these are Samsung logo, as simple as that. Let me highlight this now and bring it a little bit to the top. I'm using my arrow key on the keyboard. So how do we group? I light the two, I light everything up, then come over to object, then group it to turn it to a single object. You understand? Now I can move it around. It's not one. So thank you guys for watching, and this is how you can create this logo. I forgot something in the last episode, but right now you have to learn how to save. So to save, come to this here, click on file, then click on save over here. Once you click on save, then you can save your work this way. So it's under tutorial folder right now because I placed it on tutorial folder. Save. So I have saved my work. So most of the time when I'm working, I just like control S for saving, but don't worry, you're going to learn the shortcut later on. So thank you for having me, guys. Have a nice day, and remember to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on YouTube. It's also the name is actually the same, Phenomenal Graphics, both on YouTube and both on, as well as TikTok.